Oh, just tear the paper.
Rip the paper. Pull it right here.
Just tear it. There you
Pull,
go.
pull.
Woo!
I want the ornament.
Good job, Gabriel.
Oh, just tear it. Oh,
That's
can I help you?
Dominique's.
You're way too
You
slow,
got
dude.
Gabriel.
Needs more practice, Dan.
Yeah, Gabriel just opened Dominic's.
They start just wrapping up normal
Too much
boxes.
tape.
Danny, that was Dominic's.
Well, they'll share it.
Rip.
Wow, look at that.
Right here. Come on.
All right, what is it?
Look! It's a little basketball.
Oh.
Dominic. This is Dominic's present.
Oh, very nice.
He'll love this.
Yeah, he will.
Especially since he's too small for the
The big one.
big one.
I go.
Dominic.
That present was more for
Come on, buddy.
Jesse and Alex.
Want to see your present? Look, the present.
He's like,
Look,
I
the
don't
present.
care.
No, you can't
Okay.
touch that.
Off,
It's
off,
free.
You already took one ornament off. Alright.
Come on, buddy. You got more presents to open. Come on, buddy.
Oh, we got a Kim Panda.
He doesn't.
I have an official video recorder right now. I'm just kidding. What do you want?
Start right
No,
here.
I just wanted to give Alex's card.
Dominic.
Uh-oh.
Look, that's your present.
You have quite a bit of money in there.
Yeah, Danny.
Lots of noise.
I would like to. I filed a formal complaint about not being able to replace the money and still money being added. But they said it doesn't work because you don't live here
I
anymore.
gotta see a present to give him. Otherwise, he's not gonna be in Sandy's
Oh no.
Here you go,
Look.
Alan.
It's Thomas and the big sack.
Oh, man.
It says so
Wow.
One.
cool. Yeah. It's Thomas, huh? Okay. We're gonna open the rest of the presents, okay?
Yeah.
Train, I know. Is that really cool?
Look, it's a tree.
You want to get that over here?
Yeah. Oh, it's just like your Thomas.
No, boy, you got it.
Wow. Oh, look at him. This would be so fun.
All right.
All right.
Next.
Dominic, don't take it off.
It's like a shower.
All right, Gabriel.
This is kind of like a shower.
Yeah. Gabriel, this one's from Grandma and Grandpa. Let's open this one.
Oh, let's open it.
Set Thomas down.
I'm gonna put this higher. Wait, it's not.
Oh no!
How about the ends?
Oh no.
Just rip it. Oh, it's a remote control.
Fire truck.
Oh my!
You can't get it out right now. He's trying to pull it out of the box.
Oh no!
Gabriel, let me see, bud. Open the other way.
Oh,
Take it
thank you.
away.
Thanks, Gabriel.
All right, this one's Dominic. Okay. Gabriel, Grandma.
Do you want me to record all of this?
No, that's good.